Three outboard engines dominate marinas across the world: Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki. Ask 10 boat owners which one is the most reliable, and you will start an argument that lasts all night. Some swear Yamaha engines run forever. Others claim Honda builds the toughest motors ever made. And Suzuki fans insist their engines deliver the best balance of power, efficiency, and durability. So which brand actually wins the reliability war? Today we're breaking down the engineering, real-world performance, and long-term ownership experience behind these three giants of the outboard world. Because when you're 20 miles offshore, reliability isn't a luxury. It's survival. For decades, Yamaha has been considered the benchmark of outboard reliability. Walk through almost any commercial harbor, and you'll see Yamaha engines mounted on fishing boats, charter vessels, and patrol craft. That reputation didn't happen by accident. Yamaha focused on something many companies ignored: simplicity and durability. Most Yamaha outboards use straightforward inline engine designs with strong internal components and excellent corrosion protection. Their fuel injection systems are known for extremely consistent performance. Turn the key, and the engine starts. Every time. That's one reason the Yamaha F-150 became the best-selling 150 horsepower outboard in history. Some commercial operators have reported engines reaching well over 5,000 hours with only routine maintenance. There are even documented cases pushing far beyond that. But Yamaha reliability comes with a price. These engines are often among the most expensive outboards on the market. Still, many boat owners say paying more upfront is worth it if the motor never lets you down. Honda approached the outboard world differently. Instead of designing marine engines from scratch, Honda brought decades of automobile engineering into the water. Their philosophy was simple: build marine engines the same way they build cars, with precision, durability, and efficiency. Honda outboards are famous for their smooth and quiet operation. Many owners say you can barely hear them running at idle. But the real strength of Honda engines is long-term durability. Models like the BF90 and BF115 have developed legendary reputations among recreational boaters. These motors are known to run for decades with proper care. Honda also focuses heavily on fuel efficiency and low emissions. That makes them especially popular in areas with strict environmental regulations. However, Honda outboards do have one downside: they are often heavier than competitors. And in high-performance applications, some boaters feel they lack the aggressive power delivery of other brands. But if your goal is quiet, dependable cruising, Honda remains one of the most trusted names in marine engines. Then there's Suzuki, the quiet contender in the reliability war. Suzuki may not have the same brand recognition as Yamaha or Honda in some markets, but many mechanics believe their engineering is among the most advanced in the industry. Suzuki introduced several innovations that dramatically improved outboard durability. One example is their self-adjusting timing chain system. Unlike traditional timing belts that require replacement, these chains are designed to last the life of the engine. That alone eliminates one of the most expensive maintenance tasks many boat owners face. Suzuki also pioneered lean burn fuel control technology, allowing engines to automatically adjust fuel mixtures for maximum efficiency. The result is impressive fuel economy without sacrificing power. Models like the DF150 and DF175 have built strong reputations for reliability while often costing less than comparable Yamaha engines. Owners frequently report thousands of trouble-free hours, and many marine technicians say Suzuki outboards are some of the easiest engines to service. For budget-conscious boaters looking for long-term reliability, Suzuki has become a serious competitor. So which brand actually wins the reliability war? The truth is more complicated than most people expect. All three manufacturers build extremely dependable engines. The real difference often comes down to priorities. If you want the most proven reputation in the marine world, Yamaha is hard to beat. If you value smooth, quiet operation and automotive-level engineering, Honda is a fantastic choice. And if you want cutting-edge technology with strong reliability at a competitive price, Suzuki offers incredible value. But there is one factor that matters more than brand: maintenance. Even the best engine will fail if it's neglected. Regular oil changes, clean fuel systems, and proper corrosion protection can add thousands of hours to an outboard's life. Ignore those basics, and even the most legendary motor will eventually leave you stranded. In the end, The reliability war may not have a single winner.